Going out for a run, I'm gonna be aiming for about 3 to 5 miles. I'm gonna see how my legs feel, because right now they are a little bit stiff, a little bit sore from yesterday's squat session and also that fail timed mile. So gonna go for a harder pace today, just because I want to see what I can do in 3 to 5 miles at a decent pace. Let me plead my case for yesterday's timed mile. Yesterday's timed mile, 8:13. I just ran 3 miles. Fitbit right here. Look at the time. (24:47) for 3.01 miles, an average of 8:13 pace. So I just did 8:13 for an average of 3 miles, or an average of 8:13 for 3 miles. As you can tell, I literally just finished. And I actually tracked it on Strava too. And I think Strava's working again, just because I'll show you a picture right here of what Strava looked like when it was glitching, and it was just literally jumping back and forth, and it had me running like 2-minute miles, 3-minute miles. But today it tracked the whole loop. It wasn't jumping back and forth, but the mileage compared from Strava to the Fitbit is a little bit off. For the Fitbit I had 3.01, and then for Strava I had 3.19. So if you're looking at Strava, I think the first mile, I'll put down my splits here too. I was at like 8:30 something. And then the last 2 I did like 7:30s, somewhere around there. So I don't know who to trust, what to trust. Do I trust my Fitbit? Do I trust Strava? Does Strava really work? Is it not glitching? You be the judge. All right, I'm going to walk a little bit more, because honestly that was a little bit harder than I usually do. I'm usually running, 10 miles at like 10-minute mile pace. But today I decided to just go for it, because I really wanted to see what, 3 miles, 5K. Should have just ran 5K, but just ended up doing 3 miles. Wanted to get a time on that as well. So I'm glad I did it. My heart rate was right around, let me see, 168 beats per minute. So that's me running pretty hard. Not like 1 mile hard, but still has me up there, 168. That's like, what is it, 170 divided by, so that's like 85 to 90% of my heart rate. 28, so 220 minus my age, 192, so 168 divided by 192, whatever that is. So yeah, feel good. Woo, I knew I was faster than yesterday's 1 mile. Also, can't forget about squatting today. Day 2, squat every day May. I'm gonna keep it super light because my legs are a little bit dead from yesterday, and then also running a little bit hard today for that 3 miler. So 4 sets of 7 reps of 135. Easy, simple, straight to the point. Boom, and I'm done. 135 felt pretty heavy. My legs are definitely taxed, but I got it done. I decided to do close stance today, ass to grass, or at least I tried to. Not sure how it looks, I didn't look at the video yet, but whew, I feel good. Day 2, 29 more days. Squat every day May, let's go. And that is my exercise for the day. Ran 3 miles, walked a mile, and then did some squats after. For the next week or so, I will be taking it pretty light on the squats. just because next week I'll be doing the burn 10K calorie in a day challenge. And I want my legs to be as fresh as possible because I'll be running 30 or 40 miles, doing 1,000 plus burpees, rowing for an hour or two, and all that probably still isn't enough to burn 10,000 calories. So I'm excited for that challenge. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for following my journey. I appreciate each and every one of you. And actually, my channel hit 500 subscribers today. Actually, right now, I think we're at about 512. So super happy about that. Thank you everyone for the support, for the love, liking my videos, every comment, everything means a lot. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It helped me out a lot. Other than that, see you soon.